Well, in an ongoing effort to meet the growing need for more vaccines worldwide, Tecton Research is seeking healthy volunteers for phase 3 trial of a plant-derived COVID-19 vaccine. Here with more information on the two-dose shot is Dr. Paul Pickrell with Tecton Research. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. It's nice to be here. Thank you for having me.
Well, it's excellent to have you here because this is some really interesting stuff. You know, we're on the verge of a lot of things happening in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. So I'm going to pick your brain just a little bit here. Let's get started with the fact that there are currently 3 FDA-approved vaccines for COVID-19. Doctor, can you explain to us why there's still a need to continue these clinical trials?
Sure. Well, the U.S. has done an amazing job, I think, in both production and distribution of the vaccines. We're well ahead of the game. All you have to do is turn on the news and you see countries like India and Brazil and the lockdowns in Europe, and you quickly realize what a global community we are and how important it is to get more vaccines distributed around the world.
All right, this is where Tecton Research comes in to expand what we've got going on even further, to get them out there to more and more people, which is excellent. So let's talk a little bit about how the experimental vaccines are different than those that have already been approved for emergency use.
Sure. When we first derived the initial vaccine, Pfizer it was a less stable compound. It had to be refrigerated at minus 70 degrees. So it's not real practical for a lot of facilities in third world countries to have that. So we've got more and more stability of compounds. This is a plant-derived vaccine that we're working on right now. That should be fairly easy and facile to manufacture, easy to distribute. And we're still learning every day amazing things about this virus, how to treat. So it's just been a fascinating year and a half to deal with. And actually, the patients that have volunteered have been amazing. We talk a lot about the heroes of this pandemic being the doctors and nurses, and truly they have been. God bless them. They've done amazing work. But I think the forgotten heroes are the people who have volunteered for these trials, that have spent their time and their money and blood coming here to donate. And thank God for them, because otherwise we wouldn't have the vaccines we have currently.
That's a really great point. And on that note, let's talk about the need for volunteers and when and how many volunteers are needed, because this is kind of a call out to those folks just so that they can help us out here.
Sure. This trial is asking for 30,000 participants. Okay, it started just a few weeks ago. They hope to close within the next month. So Tecton is asking for healthy volunteers above age 18. Doesn't have to be healthy. They can have comorbidities. So we're looking for anyone who's willing to donate their time and blood. They will be compensated, of course, for both their time and travel expenses. And at the same time, they'll have this satisfaction of feeling good at helping the world.
Fantastic. Well, that's, a lot of great information there. And I do want to reiterate that the study has recently started right here in Austin. So you're making this accessible for local folks, and that you're looking for at least 150 of those healthy volunteers to qualify. Is that right?
That's correct. We will probably use more. They're a little behind. The party started at 5 o'clock with the other vaccines, and it's midnight now. And so clearly, I think a lot of people have already been vaccinated, or people have already had COVID. Unfortunately, they would not be qualified to participate. But if you're above age 18, you have not had COVID, you've not received a vaccine, we would love to have you call and contact Tecton.
So tell your friends, folks, if you know anyone who could qualify for this. We definitely need their help. But let's talk a little bit more about the benefits that this vaccine will offer above what other vaccines are offering, and how that can help other countries out there.
Yeah, when they looked at their phase 1 efficacy data, I mean, it was 100%. It was even better than the Pfizer Moderna. They looked at the durability of antibody response. It was more robust than the others. So I feel really confident that this is a vaccine that may be hitting a home run. I mean, all of them are good. There's not a bad vaccine on the market. They're all wonderful. I've enjoyed working with every one of the sponsors. So to say that any of these vaccines are suspect or have problems, that's not accurate. They're all wonderful, but I think we keep learning and keep getting better and better. And so it's quite thrilling to be able to work on this one.
Dr. Pickrell, thank you so much. I've really appreciated your time, and thank you for all that you're doing to research and to help folks out there.
You're welcome, Stephanie. Thank you.
Participants can sign up online at tectonresearch.com or give them a call at 888-796-0809. In addition to helping the world fight back against this pandemic, research participants will also be compensated for their time and travel.